Hello, powerful pandas and wolves. I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to be working in science on page number 1. It says reduce or reuse, okay? You're going to write your name over here. That's the first thing you have to do. And then we see here items. Hang clothes instead of using the dryer, which that is great. Carpool, that's also really good. Wear hand-me-downs. That's really good. Buy used books instead of new. And turn water off, okay? We have to see if we're gonna reuse them or reduce them. Remember, reuse is something that you use again. Reduce means that we're gonna use less of, okay? So let's see. You're gonna get your scissors, your color pencils, and your writing pencils, okay? Let's see this one, the first one. Turn water off. Do you think turning the water off is something that you can reuse or reduce? If you said reduce, excellent. You're supposed to turn water off to reduce. Okay, so cut this one out and place it right here. Let's go with the second one. Buy used books instead of new ones. If we're gonna use an old book instead of a new one, what does that mean? That you're gonna reduce or you're gonna reuse? Remember, reuse is to use something that is old and still works, and reduce means to use less. If you say reuse, excellent. So you're gonna cut the one with the books and you're gonna put it here in reuse. Let's see this one. Wear hand-me-down clothes. That means sometimes you have older brothers or sisters or cousins and they're older than you, and their clothes are still really good. So those clothes can fit you. Does that mean that you can reduce it or reuse them? Remember, reuse is to use something that was old. Yes, if you said reuse, then you're correct. You're gonna cut this one out and you're gonna wear it right here in reuse. These are all things that we can do every day. Okay, carpool. That means instead of everybody using a different car, we can use one car to pick other people up, so we can only use one car, okay? So is carpool reduce or reuse? Reduce, very good. So you're gonna cut this one out and you're gonna put it here in reduce, okay? Then the last one, hang clothes instead of using the dryer. The dryer wastes a lot of electricity. I think it's better on a hot day to put the clothes outside so they can dry fast. Is that reduce or reuse? That is reduce because you're not using that much energy. So you're gonna use reduce. Very good. You're gonna cut this one out and place it right here in reduce. Excellent, pandas and wolves. When you're finished, you're gonna color everything, give it to your mommy or daddy. If you have any questions, please let me know.